Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ZenFone 8 and let me share with you how to change video resolution or video quality on this device. So first of all, we have to obviously enter the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we have to switch to the video mode. It is very important. So let's tap on it, and since you can see this red circle inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can enter the settings, which are in the left upper corner, and as you can see in this video section, on the very first position we've got the video quality, actually also the video resolution. So let's tap on it, and here we've got plenty of options to choose from. Actually, we've got 6 of them. We've got 8K option, we've got also 2 different 4Ks, and the difference between them is the frames per second. The same situation with FHD, we've got 60 frames per second and 30 frames per second. And we've got the HD option, so obviously it's up to you which option you'd like to set. I will pick, for example, the 4K option with 60 frames per second. Just tap on it, and as you can see, we just got back to the camera settings, but here we can check it. We can also tap on it, and since this option is marked, it means that it has been successfully applied to the camera, and from now on your device will record videos in chosen quality. Obviously you can change it whenever you want to. Here you can also check and the quality you've chosen. So actually that's all. This is how to change video resolution or quality in your ASUS ZenFone 8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.